Hey everybody, this is Geo Joe here today with a video tutorial on the GV Cloud solution. And for today's video, I would like to focus on how you can do smart searching within the GV Cloud web page. If you are utilizing GeoVision cameras that have built-in analytics, you can go into the GV Cloud web page and do a smart search based off of those analytics. So traditional video security systems for years have always had playback that in the form of a timeline where you have your motion events laid out on a timeline. But the Query Events tab here within the GV Cloud solution allows you to do a more intelligent-based search, and I would like to demonstrate that in this video. If you find the videos on this channel useful, please consider subscribing to the channel and also giving this video a thumbs up because it does help spread the awareness of the videos. So in the GV Cloud webpage, let's go in and look at the Query Events tab, and you'll see all of your hosts here on the left. A host can either be a VMS system, a cloud bridge device, or if you're using some of the GeoVision direct-to-cloud IP cameras, those can be listed as a host individually as well. So step number one to do a smart search would be to go in and select your host or hosts that you want to search. And then you come over to the right side and you have some menu options that you can choose from. You do have the option to choose a date and time range that you would like to search. So let's say, for example, we are looking for an event that happened between the 11th and 12th of this month. You can go in and choose that date range. And then you can also edit your time range right up here if you would like as well. I will leave our times default just for this demo, but I'm going to click OK. And now right below that on the drop-down that says all types, you can select what type of event you want to search. For today's video, I would like to search video events, and then I'm going to show the analytics that are available. So some of these analytics are available today. Some of them will be added into the GV Cloud as this solution further develops. But if you scroll down, you'll see some of the analytics that are available camera side and then also on like the VMS 18 software. But in our example here, I'm going to use the intrusion analytic because we do have this set up on a camera in our parking lot at our California facility. So if I click on intrusion, right over here on the right, I can either choose all host cameras from the cloud bridge, or I can individually click on one or multiple cameras and then do a search. So for this, I will just leave it as all host cameras, hit search. And now what it will do is it will give you a list of all of the times where the intrusion activity occurred on that camera. So in this scene in our parking lot, we have basically drawn a box over that area. And anytime where a vehicle or a person goes into that area, we are going to get an event that's registered. And then we could click on that and it will bring you directly to that recorded event to where you could play back your local recording on this tab right here. You also have a tab above. If you purchase cloud playback, you'd be able to play that back just by clicking on it. You can conveniently flip over to live view right here if you'd like to see the live footage from that camera. And then your snapshot tab shows you what triggered that analytic to occur. Now, also to note, whenever you bring up this, let's say that you have found an event of interest and you want to be able to share it with someone. It's very convenient because you can click on this little link icon here. You can designate how long you want this clip to be active. Let's say 48 hours, for example. You can give it a note. We'll say car driving through. And then you can also password protect it if you would like. Once you hit generate, it gives you the ability to type in the user's email address. And then whenever you get that typed in, you can just hit send and it will directly send that link to the person so they can click on it. And it will bring them to this screen right here. It's very simple to do. There's nothing to install, no program to download, and it basically takes them right to where they can view that playback footage for however long you have designated them access to it. So again, this is just a way to be able to more efficiently find video rather than looking at a 24-hour timeline of motion events. This can be more intelligent. It can be based on people activity or vehicle activity only, and it will basically eliminate false motion and help you to do a more intelligent search. So this, again, has been a quick tutorial on the smart searches within the GV Cloud solution. For further information on our product line, please check us out at www.geovision.com.tw/US. Thanks a lot for watching.